Rantakatu 16, Kokkola. Also, lights amazing. The 1973 VS 3041, modernized in 1994 V1 X8722. Floor indicator is not in use. Or it's just overall light. Okay. Second floor. Six posts of 480 kilograms. Ground floor. Inspected by Kiva Inspectant, maintained by Otis or nowadays Gratis. Very nice fluorescent lights and ceiling also amazing. Needless modernization, but still original fixtures and doors also. 7th floor. I think gaff was better before. Amazing light. Crap this elevator. Very bad. Fortunately, this is still original, not original, but still just modernized, but original fixtures. The other one completely replaced. Stainless steel cap also. Ground floor. That's